How to use Adobe Sign beginner's tutorial. Now the first thing you're gonna have to do in Adobe Sign is of course to personalize your account. Now you're gonna have to log in into your Acrobat Sign. Take a minute to review your personal user information, and this information is used in several templates, so it's important to ensure it is correct. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is mouse over your name in the upper right corner to open the menu and click My Profile. The profile page shows the specific values that Acrobat Sign will use when personalizing any of your transactions. Of particular interest are your full name, your job title, your company name, the time zone, your measure unit, and if you need to adjust any of the content, click the Edit Profile button, make the required changes, and then save your edits. After configuring your personal information, take a quick look through the other personal preferences you see listed on the left side of the screen. These options are specific to you as a user and may be useful automation. We have over here your My Profile, Access Tokens, Tutor Integration, My Email Footer, Auto Delegation, My Notifications, Shared Notifications, My Signature, Language Preferences. You also have a choice to view other accounts and to share your account. There's also a page-by-page overview over here that's made by Adobe Sign themselves to show you a guide on how to do so. A home page, the send page, and the manage page. Here we have the home page. So this is the first page that most users will sign into. Over here in the bottom, it's more options you can do with Adobe Sign, from filling and signing a document to enhancing your account. There's also the send page is where you configure and send new ad hoc agreements. There are 5 functional sections to configure, which is the send from group, recipients, message, and options. In options, there's password protect, completion deadline, send reminder, recipient's language, and files. So here you can go ahead and get your document signed. So here the first steps is to choose which you will send from. The second is your recipients. The third is your message for the options you have to set to. And the fifth is the drop files or the files that you're going to add. And once you're done with all those, you can just go ahead and preview and add signature fields if you'd like, and then just go ahead and send. Also, we have our manage page. As a sender, recipient, or even as a CCD party, if you are a participant with an Acrobat Sign agreement, it will be available on your manage page. As a portal to all agreements tied to your user, the page is designed with 2 goals in mind. Find the agreement you want to examine and perform management tasks for that agreement. And finally, your reports page. Regularly scheduled reports can help you quickly assess how your documents are progressing and where your attention is needed. Reports can be custom designed to trigger any day to any time, to include the scope from all agreements to only documents with a specific name. So over here we have a show on how that pretty much works here as a complete and full guide. So if you want to go ahead and learn, you can go ahead and check it out in Adobe Sign itself. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.